Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a very simple barbecue beef ribs recipe with homemade Korean style barbecue sauce. Let's get started. To make the sauce, we will be using 5 cloves garlic, a half onion, 2 to 3 pieces of gingers. I use the blender to blend them into small chunks, then pour it into the bowl. Add in 200 ml of soy sauce, half cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons sesame oil, and mix all the ingredients together. I like to add 3 tablespoons white roasted sesame seed, but this is optional. In the saucepan, pour in the sauce and cook until it boils. Cooking the sauce will enhance the sauce for a stronger and better taste. Pour the sauce into the bowl until it cools down. Once the sauce has cooled down, we can place the beef ribs evenly on the baking tray to season them. Remember to season both sides. We will need to marinate the beef ribs in the fridge overnight. Set the grill to medium-low heat, add in the seasoned beef ribs and cover the lid. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the ribs and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. Don't cook for too long, otherwise the meat will get a tough texture and become very dry. Look how yummy! The Korean style beef ribs are done. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Bye!